press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about clothes. See, clothes are very necessary to us, isn't it? See, like air, water and food, it's very necessary, clothes and house. See, we wear clothes. Why we need clothes? Because clothes are protect us from sun heat and rain, and it keeps us warm in the cold temperature, and also it's protect us from sun, it's insect bite, and then this clothes or protect us from dust also. See, the clothes or give an identity. See, clothes are very useful to us, isn't it? See, but the ancient peoples are wear what? They were animal skin and then the leaves of trees. Okay, see, but now we are wearing different types of clothes, yes or no? So we are going to wear different types of clothes. See, we wearing different types of clothes for some factors, like according to climate living, and for occasion, and for profession, and the tradition also. Depending according to tradition also, we are going to wear different types of clothes. Okay, first we are going to discussing about according to climate. See, we are according to climate we are going to wear different types of clothes, isn't it? First is clothes according to climate. Clothes according to climate, it's very different, isn't it? See, for example, in summer, in summer we wear cotton clothes, isn't it? In summer we wear cotton clothes. See, okay, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? See, cotton clothes absorb sweat and keeps us cool. See, cotton clothes absorb sweat and keeps us cool. So that's why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer. See, we are very sweaty in summer season because in summer season very hot in temperature. So that's why we are going to very sweaty in summer season, isn't it? See, in that time, cotton clothes absorb water quickly. See, cotton clothes absorb water quickly, so that's why. And also it keeps us cool because we are going to wear cotton clothes in summer because it's absorb sweat. Sweat means what? Bevaru. So first again quickly they absorb sweat and keeps us cool. So that's why we wear what? Cotton clothes in summer. And better to wear light color cotton clothes. Light color or white color. White or light color cotton clothes. Better, so it's a good white or light color cotton clothes because see, light or white color clothes less absorption of heat. See, it's absorb less heat, so that's why we wear light or white color cotton clothes. Okay, see, because see, the light and white color cotton clothes absorb less heat. Less heat from the sun. From the sun. Okay, so that's why better we wear what, white or light color cotton clothes in summer, because it absorbs less heat from the sun. So that's why it's very useful. Which one? Cotton clothes are very useful in the summer time, because it's in summer very hot in temperature. So that's why we wear which type of clothes? Cotton clothes. Which color cotton clothes? Light or white color cotton clothes, because they absorb sweat and keep it as cool, and also it's absorb less heat from the sun. So that's why we wear light or white color cotton clothes in summer. Okay. Next one is in winter. Okay. Yes, there are 3 seasons are there. In summer we are wearing what? Cotton clothes, because it's absorb less heat and then keep it as cool, and also it's absorb sweat quickly. So that's why we are going to wear cotton, light or white cotton clothes in summer. As in winter, which type of clothes we are going to wear? Yes, in winter, we are going to wear woolen clothes. Which clothes? Woolen clothes. Okay, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? See, we are going to wear woolen clothes in winter because it keeps us warm in cold time. Because it helps or keeps us warm in cold time, cold temperature. Okay. See, normally in winter season very cold, isn't it? See, in winter season very cold temperature. See, in that temperature we wear woolen clothes because it keeps us warm. And the it keeps us warm in cold temperature. Okay, which type of woolen clothes we should wear? We wear dark color woolen clothes. We wear which type of dark colors woolen wool clothes. Why should wear dark color wool clothes? Because as you know, light or white color clothes absorb less heat from the sun, but dark colors, because it's absorb more heat from the sun. So that's why, see, these woolen clothes, which color? So dark colors woolen clothes absorb more heat from the sun and keep us warm. So that's why we wear dark color woolen clothes in winter season, because it keeps us warm and also it's absorb more heat from the sun and keeps us warm. So that's why we are going to wear dark woolen clothes in winter season. Okay. See, these woolen clothes are made up of animal skin or animal's skin. So, like example, ಶೀಪ್. ಸೊ ಶೀಪಿಂದು ಉಣ್ಣೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಊಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಲ್ಲನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಅನಿಮಲ್ನ ಫೈಬರ್. ಸೊ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಶೀಪ್ನ ಉಣ್ಣೆನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಲ್ಲನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ. See, in winter there is a very cold in temperature in our surroundings, so that's why we should wear which type of clothes? Woolen clothes in winter season, because it keeps us warm in the winter season. In the cold temperature we should wear which type of woolen clothes? Dark color woolen clothes. So dark colors andre yavadu? Black, blue. So these are all dark blue colors, dark black colors you should wear, because it keeps us warm, because it's absorb more heat from the sun. So that's why we should wear dark woolen clothes in winter season. Okay. Next one is in a rainy season. Okay, winter season finished and in summer season also finished. So in summer season we like to wear which type of clothes? Cotton clothes. But in the winter season we wear woolen clothes, because it keeps us warm in cold temperature. As next is about in a rainy season. So in a rainy season or a monsoon season. In rainy season, see, in rainy season we use umbrella and raincoats, isn't it? See, we wear raincoats and shoes are made of waterproof material. See, because keep us when we go out in the rain. So that's why we wear a raincoat or shoes or use umbrella in rainy season, because these are raincoats and shoes are made up of waterproof materials. See, these are all made up of waterproof materials, and because keeps us when we go out in the rain. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೆನೆದೇ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೈನ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೂಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೆನೆದೇ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೆಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶೀತ, ಜ್ವರ, ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೆನೆಬಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ like cold, cough and fever. So that's why. So when you go out, you should use what? Umbrella or a raincoats or a shoes. So that one is made up of waterproof material. See, it keeps us away from rain water. So when you go out on that time, you wear what? Raincoats and shoes. Okay. Next is about according to profession, the clothes we wear different. As in climate, according to climate we wear different types of clothes, isn't it? As in summer we wear light color or white color cotton clothes, because cotton clothes absorb sweat quickly and then it keeps us cool. See, the light and white color cotton clothes, it's absorb less heat from the sun. So that's why we wear light or white color cotton clothes in summer. And next is about winter. Yes, in winter we wear woolen clothes. See, these woolen clothes are made up of animal skin. Which animal? Sheep animals. Sheep animals skin ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, woolen clothes ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. See, we wear woolen clothes in winter season because it keeps us warm in cold temperature. Okay. See, we wear dark woolen clothes like a black or a blue color. See these colors because it keeps us, because it's absorb more heat from the sun. So that's why we wear dark woolen clothes in winter season. Okay. Next, see, according to profession, the clothes are very different, isn't it? Okay, let's start to discussion about clothes according to profession. Yes, so clothes according to profession. Yes, in certain professions, people wear certain uniform, isn't it? People of a different professions, they are wearing different uniforms, isn't it? For example, because they wear different, peoples are wearing different profession peoples are wearing different uniforms because it shows their identity. So it shows what? Identity. See, we are wearing what? Uniform. See, certain professions have a certain uniforms, isn't it? You see, the uniform helps us to an identity. Identify the profession. Identify the profession of a person. Okay. See, the uniform. So we are wearing different, say, have you seen different profession people wearing different types of uniform? See, this uniform helps to identify the profession of a person. It helps to identify to an what different professions. So people profession identify ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, for example, doctor. See, the doctor wear what? White coat. So white coat na wear ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Have you seen doctors wearing what? White coat. So it tells, so ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ವೈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಯರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟ್? ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ health and hygiene. See, it tells what? Health and hygiene. See, white shows clean and health and hygiene. So that's why doctor wear white coats. Okay. See, it's this white coat helps to identify the doctor easily. So for patients, they can recognize, they can identify doctor easily because they wear white coat. ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟ್, ಸಿ ದ ವೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫೈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕ್ಲೀನ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ hygiene. So that's why. Okay, you have recognized, you notice why lawyers wear a black coat, isn't it? Okay, why lawyers wear black coat? Because black is in the 17th century, lawyers and judges are perceived as a symbol of black is a dignity or a honor, wisdom and the justice. So that's why lawyer wear black coat. Okay. See the black color is perceived as a symbol of dignity, honor, wisdom and justice. And so that's why lawyers wear black coats. Why lawyers wear black coats? Because the black color is perceived as a symbol of dignity, honor, wisdom and justice. So that's why lawyers wear black coat. So you can easily identify, see that person is a lawyer. How? They wear black coat. See the uniforms helps to identify the profession, isn't it? So that's why. And you have noticed why, see the military wear green color uniforms. They wear green color uniform. Why? Because normally military man or ಮಿಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರೋದು ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವಾರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದ ಏರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ನ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೈ ವೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So that's fine. Okay, and next nurse. See the nurse also wear white color dresses, as you have noticed. And the policeman, see policeman wear police dresses. We can easily recognize, see that person is a police. How? Say they wear uniform. As you all children, we all wear what? Uniform. You all wear school uniform. But now you are missing your school uniform, isn't it? See, the school uniform recognize, it's noticed by you are a student, isn't it? Yes, you have noticed, so different schools or different uniform. You may notice the uniform of a children going to school. So ನೀವು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ recognize what? Yes, you are a school children and your school uniforms. Now you are missing your uniform, isn't it? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಶಾಲೆ ಮಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. See, according to profession, there are people are wearing different types of uniform. See, because these uniforms helps to easily identify the profession also. Yes, see the doctor wear white coats, and then lawyers wear black coat, and then military men wear green color dresses, and policemen wear police dress, and you all are children. See, children wear school uniforms. It shows what? You are a student. See, your uniform says what? You are a student of the school. Okay. Yes, so next is about according to occasion also our clothes are different, isn't it? See, according to occasions. So clothes are clothes according to occasion. According to occasions, clothes are different. Yes, children, we do not wear the same types of clothes all the time, isn't it? See, when you are going to school, we wear what? You wear uniform. When you are going to school, you wear uniform. It's a casual dress when you are at home. So casual ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So when you are going to play or when you are going to jogging, when you are going to do exercise, in that time you are wearing what? Sports dress. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಜಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್, isn't it? So when you are going to school, in school time we wear what? Uniform, isn't it? And then when you are going to play games or in the time of exercise, what you are wearing? We wearing what? Sports dress. Because it's a comfortable in that time. See, this sports dress is comfortable in the playing games. It's because it's free in size and it's very comfortable to play games. So that's why we wear what? Sports dresses in the time of playing games and doing exercise, isn't it? As in at the time, at night time, at night we wear what? Night dress. Night dress. And at home we wear what? Casual dresses. Yes, in at home you are not wearing grand different dresses. We are wearing what? Casual dress at home, and at night we wear night dresses. And then when you are going to play game or do exercise or in the time of jogging, so we wear what? Sport dress because it's comfortable on that time. And we wear uniform in the school when you are going to school because it's identify you are a student. So that's why. Okay, next, see, when we are in a special, so we are wearing special clothes in the time of a festival, yes or no? So we wear special dresses. We wear special dresses or a clothes at a particular at different festival, different festivals, isn't it? See, in the time of festival we wear special dresses. We are going to buy new dresses, special dresses, because we feel happy in the time of festival. So namage celebration, it's a time of celebration. In the time of celebration we are like to wear new dresses and different special dresses. It gives more happy in the time of festival. So that's why we wear different special dresses in a different festivals. See, that dresses is a for a traditional, so it shows our tradition also. So normal ನಾವು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, see, because it's makes us more happy in that time of festival. So that's why. So we wear different dresses, special dresses at a different festivals, because So it's give more happiness and it shows our traditional also. Okay, next we wear party dresses. See, party dresses means when we go out for a party or a family function, we wear party dresses. See, in the time of a festival time, we wear what? A traditional dresses. It so shows our culture. And when we go out for party, so we wear party dresses. It's a little different from traditional. See, when the functions, for any function or any party, so for like a birthday parties, we wear party dresses. Okay, see, our dresses, we wear different types of dresses depending according to climate we live in, according to profession and according to occasion also. See, for according to occasion, see, in the time of home, see, when we are at home, we wear casual dresses. When we are going to play game or in the time of sports or in doing exercise, on that time we wear sports dress. At night we wear what? Night dresses. And in the when we are going to school, on that time we wear uniform, isn't it? See, when we are going to celebrate festival, on that time we like to wear special dresses because it makes us feel us more happy in that time. When we go out for party or any family function, we wear different, so special dresses. It gives more happy to us. So that's why. Okay, my dear students, today we discussed about different types of clothes according to climate, profession and the occasion also. As in the next class, we are going to discuss about fibers. As we are all wearing clothes, see, isn't it? See how these clothes are made. So ಆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.